Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. We're on our way to check out a brand new listing in the Havasu Foothills Estates. It's a 4-bedroom, 5-bath pool home. It sits on over an acre. Hang out with us and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, we are out here at 1011 Corte, Pledra, out here at the Havasu Foothills Estates. This is actually a great little location because all these houses on this block back to the mountain, so there's nobody behind you. It's super quiet up here. Very nice. So this property is a little bit unique because it has some add-ons that were done by the builder, like this RV garage right here. Got a paver driveway. Beautiful entryway. Kind of sits up off the street a little bit. Real nice custom stonework. All right, so we have the big metal, I call castle door entry. Beautiful steel tile with inlays. Real nice open living area. So this is a 4-bedroom, 5-bath pool home built in 2007. The lot is 47,480 square feet. They just had some additions put on to this, including adding depth to the original garage, plus adding a new 55-foot RV garage. There's also an office that can be used as a bedroom. They just didn't list it as a bedroom because it's just like built-ins. So it could be a 5-bedroom, 5-bath with the casita. So this house is 3,122 square feet. It's got the tall ceilings. It's got the nice appliance package with the Sub-Zero and stainless appliances, including a double oven. Nice stonework on the counter. So it has a little informal dining area. Also has more of a formal dining area over here, I guess you would call it. It's all wired up for sound, LED lights. Cabinets are really nice. So it looks like you have a double slider out to the pool area and casita. We'll go check that out in a minute. So right off the entryway, your garage access, washer and dryer, and what I believe to be the master. So it's a nice wide hall. Got a really nice master bath, dual vanities. Nice walk-in shower with a rain head, soaking tub. Got a walk-in closet in the master bath. Pretty good size. So this is the actual master bedroom. It has a door out to the pool area. We'll go check out. So you have another walk-in closet in the master. All right, we're going down the left side, down the entry So you have bedroom number 2. Got a door out to the pool area. So you have the office, which could be a 5th bedroom because it does have a window. And since these are built in, that would count as like an armoire or something, but they did not list it as a bedroom, just an office. It's got the door out to the patio, pool area, and casita. You got a hall bathroom, guest bath. It's got a walk-in shower, dual vanities, granite counters. Bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. That's the door that goes out to the courtyard entry. Okay, so we're back on the right side of the house. Gonna go check out the garage. This is another little guest bathroom off the kitchen. No shower or anything, just a sink. So you got your indoor laundry, beer fridge, of course, nice little sink, and your access to the garage. All the same cabinetry. All right, so you come out and there's your 2-car garage. It's listed at 22 wide by 22 feet deep with an 8-foot door. It's all vented, fire sprinkler system. Have your RO, water softener, and water heater set up. So you come out here, and this was the add-on. So this is the original garage that's 49 feet deep, 13 feet wide with an 11-foot door. I have the same exact boat, by the way. Got your dual AC with dual air handlers, utility sink, access to the backyard. Got double doors out to the backyard. This has a mini split AC unit in it. So they also added a few feet to this garage when they did the addition. I don't know if I mentioned that. And then they added this RV garage on that they actually just finished. I can see 2 mini split units in here. This one is a 55-footer, 15.5 feet wide, the 14-foot door. Pretty nice setup. Not much to see here, but he does have all the slide outs pulled out. All right, guys, so we're out in the backyard. I just went through the kitchen door. It's got a couple nice little outdoor living area setups. Some fake grass. Beautiful pool. Looks like a play pool with both sides are shallow, deep in the middle. Pool looks to be in excellent condition, like new. So all these, again, they back to the mountain here so you don't have any neighbors behind you, which is cool. This does have a fully owned solar system installed. Have to get the details on what all it is. All right, let's go check out the casita. Nice courtyard between the house and the casita. Those double doors are to the garage that we were just in. Super private back here. Beautiful setup. All right, you got your casita. Also has integrated sound, mini split unit. So of course you've noticed that there's plantation shutters on almost every window that I've seen so far. Nice little bathroom, walk-in shower. All right, guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed that quick little video walkthrough. If you guys have any questions, I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you can get all the original pictures when they come out and current price and availability and all that. Of course, you can always contact me direct. All my contact information is right below this video. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. Enjoy your Independence Day, and I will talk to you soon.